Hello everyone, my name is Sonal and today I am going to unboxing the Fab bag. This is the January edition. I know I am late but still I am sharing with you. So I have ordered like a 6 months subscription box of Fab bag. So 6 months का bag रहेगा 2899 and for 6 month bag, with 6 month bag we will receive a one free product also, and that product brand is Sugar. So let's start. We will do the unboxing now. So here you can see the bag, very gold, silver, black, everything in this. This is very glittery and nice really bag. So we'll start. So these are the participating contest, but no use for now because this is late February is going on. These are all the product which we will receive in this bag. Here you can see everything with price and very nice looking 2020 January Feb bag. So here is the first product, the company called the Nature Co Tea Tree Hair Nourishing Cream for all hair skin type. So yeah, this is very nice product. I will try this. Ingredients very good: tea tree oil, lemon oil, vegetable, glycerin. Very nice ingredients. This is our first product. Second is this, the pink clay acne purifying face mask D10 plus detox. Really nice, acne purifying. So my skin is very sensitive, acne prone, so I will be looking forward to try this very soon. This is second product. So this is the Sugar Aquaholic Hydra Stick. So I've told you about, I've ordered 6 months subscription box, so I've received this free product from the brand called Sugar, and I really love Sugar products, and this is a new launch and I'm really looking forward to try this. Oh, this is nice, very hydrating looking. Okay. Oh, so sorry. This is pack. Okay. Yeah. Very cooling and very nice. I don't know guys, you can see or not, but this is doing work. This has like mattifying skills, obviously. Really looking forward to try. This is the Gold Ore Rock Soup Serona Company. Real gold leaf, cherry blossom, essential oils. Oh, very nice ingredients again. Nice looking soap also. These are the, I think, cherry blossom and whatever, real gold leaf. Yeah, this is our third product in the Fab bag. here is 2 more products, so total we have received like 5 products. So this is a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. This is a eyeshadow. Gun Metallic is the shade I've choose. So you will like you have a choice to choose the color. So I've choose this color, and also in the lipstick you can choose the color after you will order. So this is a ultimate liquid lipstick, New York brand, and the shade is Scent Luster 06. This is the lipstick, and this is the color. I've already swatched this for you guys, and this is a very pretty color again, very nice. It's a normal lipstick with a foot applicator, really nice. So these are the products, 5 products which I have received, and soon I will be share with you like our February month Feb bag, which I will received in few days. So I will share that bag also with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.